I'm going to show you how to add more custom fields to your lead. So right now, if you try to create a new lead, you can see that at least on my side, these are the only fields that I have. These are the only fields that I can use to input the information for this particular lead. Now, what if I need 3 other fields to keep track of? Number one, what is the services that they are interested in? And number two, what is their preferred date to come down for an appointment with us? And number three, what is their preferred time to come down for an appointment with us? So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to do just that. Okay, so first let's close this. Go to our settings page, click on custom fields. I want you to just observe, click on groups. These are just the list of custom field groups that you have that allows you to group your custom fields together. All right, so this one is highly customizable. You can add additional custom field groups if you want, but in my case I'm just gonna keep it as it is. If you want to add more, you can just click on add group and just maybe type something like I don't know, let's say just for demonstration, newly created for demo. Okay, maybe let me just call it for demo. Okay, and the target class for me, I'm just gonna choose lead. All right, once done, click create, go to all fields. You notice that right now I have 0 custom fields created. I do not have any custom fields yet. So in order to create custom fields, I need to click add field. Okay, so remember the first one that we want to create is services, and for the object I'm going to select lead. For the group, I will just choose for demo. You can just select any one of it. It's up to you. I'm going to show you why it matters later. All right, but for now I'm going to show you how to create a custom field first. And then for the data type, this is the data type. I will select multi-select. When I select multi-select, basically what it means is that you can select multiple values from the list of options given. So for the options, we will provide 3 options over here. I'm gonna say beginner course, intermediate course, as well as expert course. Okay, so these are the 3 options that the user can choose from when they try to create a new lead. Required or not required, basically, as the name suggests, if you turn this on, this will become a required field. But for now, I do not want this to be a required field. I'm just going to click create. Okay, I'm going to proceed to create the other 2 custom field, add field. The second one that I want to create is called preferred date. Object will be lead. For the group, I'll choose for demo. And for the type, you can see that I have actually 3 options that I can choose from that is related to date and time. Because it's a preferred date, I can choose date. If you choose date and time, when you select it, you actually need to select the date as well as the time, right? But in my case, I'm going to separate it into 2 fields. Let me select date and click create. As for the last one, it's going to be preferred time, object, lead, group. For demo, for type, I'm going to select time. Click create. Once done, go back to leads page. Go to your pipeline of your choice. You can try and click new lead. Click on the hidden fields. Now you can see that the 3 custom fields that I've just created is now being shown over here. The services, I can choose, let's say, beginner and intermediate. As for the preferred date, I can choose any one of the date. So let's say I will choose maybe somewhere down the line, 20th March. And for the preferred time, I can choose a time as well, 3:20 p.m., something like this. All right. So for the title, I can just say anything like this is a test. And for the contact, let me just choose any contact. Okay, once done, just click create. So the new contact is now created under stage new. For the same, the new lead record is created. So For the newly created custom fields, you notice that it is not being shown over here. You can actually just click on hide fields. Even if you choose hide fields, you notice that it is not being shown over here. So why is that so? The reason for that is because we need to make it accessible in the settings. So you can go to settings, click on pipelines, click on sales new or whichever pipeline that you're trying to edit, click on data fields and look for the newly created custom fields over here. So just now I created this custom field called services. So let me turn on the services. I also create preferred date and time. So I need to turn this on as well. Click save, go to leads page, just click on refresh. Okay, go to the pipeline, sales new in my case. If I scroll over to the right, you can see that the 3 custom fields that I have created is now being shown over here. Okay, so that's how you can create the custom fields for the lead. Now, if you click on any of these lead right now, just click on any of them, you can see that just now we created this custom field group called for demo, right? So this is for demo. If I were to go and change the custom field group, change the name for it, it's going to change over here as well. So let us go to settings, go to custom fields, go to groups and search for demo. Okay, let me just call it for demo edited and click edit to save it. Now let's go to the leads page. If we just click on any one of the lead, you can see that the custom field group has been changed, the name has been changed. If you click into this, you can see that these are the 3 custom fields that we decided to group together under this group, right? So that is the purpose of why we want to group them together for organization purpose. So I hope that this video gives you an idea in terms of how we can go about creating additional custom fields for your lead. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out with it.